What's going on, everybody? I'm Will. This is Whispering Wild. Today I got Carlson Cremator long range, Kicks high flyer long range, and we're gonna put them both through an SX4 and see which one is the absolute ultimate waterfowl choke. Stay with us. All right, so the way we're gonna test these out, so I got two different ammos here. Number 2 Black Cloud 3-inch, and I got some Super X 3-inch number 2 as well. We're gonna do 3 rounds of each ammo in each choke, one at 20, one at 35, and one at 50 yards, and then we'll compare. All right, we're gonna start with the Super X at 20 yards, and I'm gonna be sitting down just so it's more consistent as we go further back. Don't forget your hearing protection. Yep. All right, we just shot the 20. We're gonna go take a look at it and we'll mark that one and then do the 35 and 50. Same thing, shoot it, mark it, just so you guys don't have to watch us shoot 10 times. Let's go.
Let's see that one, Johnny. Oh yeah.
Super X, 35 yards. A little high on the last one, a little low on this one. Definitely a little bit more spread out though. We'll see what the 50 yard does. 50 yards, Super X with the Carlson. Let's go check it out. Well, we hit it. Spread out, but it definitely got enough pellets on there, I think. I don't know if we would have killed it though. Depends on where they fall. Let's try the Black Cloud. We're gonna do the Black Cloud now, still with the Carlson, 20 yards.
Look how many are double.
Talk to me, Johnny.
That's a really tight group, and you can see how many are overlapping the holes. That's only 20 yards, but I definitely think that's going to be good.
We'd be killing a hummingbird at that distance.
Oh, you can't. Why would you want to do that?
Well, I'm just saying.
Yeah.
All right, then do that over.
No, that's gonna go in there, bud.
I'm just telling. That's how tight it is. That's my point.
Good, yeah, yeah.
Black Cloud, Carlson, 35 yards. Let's go see. 35 yards. I think that'll get the job done. 50 yards, Black Cloud with the Carlson. Let's go look. 50 yards. That's a dead bird. We're gonna take out the Carlson, put in the Kicks. Got the Kicks in now. Going back to the Super X, 20 yards.
Talk to me.
A little to the left, but super tight. Another dead bird. Super X, Kicks, 35 yards. Touch low, but consensus says it's another dead bird. Super X, Kicks, 50 yards. Well, a little spread out at 50, but got a couple.
That was pretty similar to the Carlson?
With the Super X, yeah.
At 50 yards?
Yeah, the Black Cloud was definitely tighter at 50 with the Carlson.
Yep.
Black Cloud with the Kicks, 20 yards. Bingo.
That's a dang pretty good group. The wad even smoked. The wad would have killed that duck. It's a good pattern there.
20 yards. Black cloud. Black cloud, 35 yards with the kicks.
Ooh.
I don't know.
What happened there, bud?
A little high. Obviously this paper's a little bit more jacked up, but I don't know. I'd still say that's a dead bird though.
Yep.
50 yards, black cloud with the kicks.
Woo! That one hurt, didn't it, bud?
They don't know I bought the kicks.
What are you rocking, Johnny?
I'm glad I have a Carlson.
That's rough. 50 yards, Johnny. Mark it down. Alrighty, guys. So, as a group, we kind of took the time. We went through each of the pieces of paper and looked at the various patterns. And group consensus is that the Carlson Cremator outdid the Kicks High Flyer. They both were long-range chokes. We shot number 2 for both the Super X and the Black Cloud, and they were all through the same SX4 gun. Carlson Cremator long range beat out the Kicks High Flyer XL. All
right, guys, so there you have it. We did this little test today to settle the battle between the two chokes. Will and I have been going back and forth what we think, and we hope you enjoy the video. What I'm going to do here at the end is I'm going to add a quick slideshow of a picture of each of the targets so you guys can get a better look at the different patterns from all of them. So to wrap things up, leave a comment down below if you would like to see another video like this. Maybe a patterning video now is kind of what Will and I were thinking next. Yeah, so leave a comment down below if there's ammo you want to see done in this test, or if there's a different gun or something like that. But until next time, guys, we appreciate you watching, and please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up, it really helps us out. So we'll see you on the next one.